The next speaker is Ben Hawkins from Harlequin Tiles, who's going to look at large format porcelain, various the features and benefits. And over to you, Ben.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming today. I'm going to be talking about large format porcelain, its features and benefits, and its use in fabricated projects more widely. I work with Ital Graniti Group in the UK as their promoter. It's important that I mention that because some of the products you're going to see today are theirs. Okay, so porcelain offers technical excellence with the advantage of the broadest freedom of expression. Large slabs today represent a natural evolution of the finest porcelain stoneware products because they connect aesthetics and functionality with a view to the future. Large format porcelain is available up to 320 by 160, which means that the possibilities of its use are, in many respects, limitless. Ital Stone, the brand that I work with, evolved its range of surfaces to conquer some of the most demanding and innovative designs. The porcelain tiles represent natural stone through a safe evolution. They coordinate aesthetics and great flexibility. Porcelain technology means that numerous faces, designs and colorways are available with many faces, patterns that are unlikely to repeat. Now, if you look at the industry as a whole, all the manufacturers are developing large format porcelain. It's fair to acknowledge that. The technology across the industry has advanced in the 18 years that I've been in the industry, and it has got much, much better, which can be seen by the products and the patterns. So large format porcelain is really great if you're cladding a wall. There's also book match technology, which is also available. And some of Italy's finest porcelain large format slabs can be seen on the next slides. So this is Calicata Pink, which can be seen just behind me. As you can see, it mimics natural stone really quite well. The advantage is that it's easy to clean. No fissures, nothing like that. Calicata Green. Pietra Grey. Calicata Macchia Vecchia. Hope I pronounced that right. Sahara Noir. Avorio. Panda White, one of my favourites. Iron. Calicata Gold. Calicata Mont Blanc. So, why should you use porcelain in fabrication? Obviously, I work with one brand, but speaking about the industry as a whole, large format porcelain is a great product for fabrication. With the brand I work with, it's available in 12mm and 6mm, which means it can be used in worktops, but it can also be used to clad cabinet doors, and it's also available in the lighter 6mm. The image demonstrates a fabrication plant. I got this off Alibaba just to make sure I didn't get sued. So, what are the benefits to using large format slabs in fabrication compared to other materials? That really is the crux of it. So, there's a natural stone show here today, obviously. I'm here to promote the features and benefits of porcelain. So, I hope nobody's going to throw natural stone lumps at me, because this is a porcelain positive presentation. So moving on to the features and benefits quickly. Porcelain is hygienic. It's easy to wipe clean, unlike other materials. It comes in large format, which is great for use in kitchens, especially kitchens of big sizes, because you'll have little joints. There's no VOCs that are emitted from porcelain. Porcelain will not stain with food acids and such like, unlike other materials. Porcelain is also suitable for outdoor use, and it's often used in outdoor areas, including outdoor barbecues. You can have walls and floor tiles to match the worktops, and you can build a whole concept. Porcelain does not need sealing like other materials. And because it's fired at hundreds of degrees, it is also heat resistant, abrasion resistant, mold resistant. It's suitable for commercial locations, public spaces, and with the brand I represent, a Tailstone, it's available in 160 by 320. Porcelain stoneware slabs, whichever brand you decide to use, are perfect for heavy use due to their strength. So let's talk about the patterns of porcelain, which we've obviously just seen. The colour patterns are varied, but the key is, against natural stone, the patterns are consistent. I used to work with natural stone, so I can talk about this quite openly and freely. I had to send customers to the factory to select the natural stone slab because naturally you get different patterns. Whereas with porcelain, you do get repeats occasionally, but the patterns are consistent, which means you don't waste a lot of time sending your customers back and forth to pick the slab. The quality they see is the quality that they will get. So due to it being fired at thousands of degrees, porcelain is non-porous. The large slabs are great for use in kitchen tops, vanity tops, and worktops, but you can also use them to make planters, you can use them to make shower trays, you can use them to clad buildings, or you can use them in vanity units or just to clad a wall. The best thing of all is by using large format porcelain, you get minimal joint lines and you can pick a tile to match the large format porcelain for the floor and other areas. The porcelain surface extreme compactness gives it resistance to detergents and acids. Manufactured from natural raw materials, porcelain stoneware large slabs are perfect for food preparation because they're hygienic, they're clean, and they meet the essential requirements necessary. They are also 100% eco-friendly for the same reason. Tailstone, the brand that I represent, is B Corp certified and does do everything it can to meet recycling efforts and other efforts in sustainability. On a UK level, all the pallets I receive are recycled in local allotments and wildlife charities. All the waste tiles are used in pathways. All the 10 by 10s that are not required are used in bug hotels on wildlife projects. The only thing that goes to landfill is the shrink wrap. Sustainability is important and the responsibility lies with all of us. So talking about porcelain more widely, it's UV resistant, chemical resistant, mildew resistant, and it's also resistant to thermal changes. It's also fire resistant. I've seen, working with the architects and designers that I work with, more people are using porcelain since Grenfell compared to natural wood because porcelain is not combustible. Equaling or surpassing many alternative materials, porcelain is available in slim thickness, large format slabs. They take care over the detail, whichever factory you use. It can be used to cover unit doors, drawers. It can be used in room paneling, cladding, furniture, finishing, edges and corners, and of course, feature walls and furniture. It's easy to use and it's very striking. As long as you use the right tools with porcelain, in terms of large format when fixing it, using the large format cradles such as Sigma tools, back buttering the products to fix it onto the wall, using the right blades in fabrication, then you can never go wrong. That is the end of my presentation. Not as long as David's, which I thought was very good. I used to work at Domus, that's where my career started. And that's it in a nutshell.